What up, YouTube? Hey, hope you guys doing well. Just thought I'd make a short video and just kind of show you what I was doing as far as troubleshooting. I had my windshield wipers fluid, basically, it ran dry. But when it ran dry, I guess I had some type of goop at the bottom of the reservoir. And so it sprayed out this little goop, but it looks like the goop actually clogged up my my windshield wiper line. So I've been doing a little bit of troubleshooting. And so what I did, I'm just going to explain to you what I did. All right. So basically, found where the these are of course the nozzles that come out at. It was spraying out a little bit. You got your first one and your second one over there. All right, but underneath, and this is a 04 GTO, you have basically have a line coming out here. And if you can see over here, this line goes up in here somewhere and is routed and it goes around to the other side. So right here is the little T. This is the little T where it goes up in and comes out on the driver's side. And then this right here, right next to it, is where the nozzle comes out on the passenger side. So to troubleshoot a little bit, I followed it down, and you basically have this little V thing going right here, okay? And this is connected up here. So what I did was I took this side off and I basically blew into it. And so when I blew into it, I felt a whole lot of resistance. And so it looks like if something was up here clogged inside the line somewhere, probably some of that goop. So I got to figure out how to take it out of there. But what I did to confirm my findings is I put this hose back on here, or attached it back right here, and I put it off to the side to see if it was actually still coming out of the reservoir. So I got it hanging up there, and went back into the car. And the best thing to do is, of course, one of the things you can do is you want to make sure your motor's good. So I would recommend leaving your car off, turn your car into the power position. Okay, don't turn it on. This is your, of course, your control right here. And so I'm gonna move my control and watch my nozzle over there. See if it comes out. And as you can see, it comes out. You can also hear the motor running too, which is actually the first test I did, was to check to make sure the motor's running. I didn't have a burnt fuse or anything like that. But I figure at this point in time, because I was able to, this thing is, since it's actually coming out of the reservoir okay, the motor's running, I know my problem in the line is in the line somewhere. It's actually more than likely it might be around where the T is potentially. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to clean out the T, because right now I'm not getting any, or it should be right in there around the T, because I'm not getting any fluid to come out of either one of my nozzles up there. So the T is where it connects to both lines. So if I'm not getting any fluid to either one of my lines, all right, if I'm not getting any fluid going up here to my other line, and I'm not getting any fluid going here to this line, then more than likely my problem is in this T right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take that T out, and I'm gonna see if I can blow it out or clean it. I got a paper clip to clean it out, and I'm gonna see if that fixes my problem. And if it works, I'll put it in the notes, and if not, then I'll make another video more than likely, or I'll just put that in notes what I did actually to fix it. But this is your line, your reservoir, or you know, the reservoir is right here. I haven't looked at the plumbing to see how it actually goes up to this point, but it does look like it could get choked in here, under here. But it's got this little V, and then that goes up to there, to the T, and then it goes up through our system. But what I'll do before we do that, well, actually, no, I already checked to see if it was, if I could get any air through it, so that didn't work. But I want to clean out this T, and after I clean out the T, I'll let you know if it, in the notes, if it actually worked or not. All right. Hope you guys, this helps. You guys take care.